Good morning, students. In our previous video, we started the topic levy and collection of GST. In that video, we discussed about levy under CGST. In our present video, first of all, we will discuss levy of IGST, and it is leviable under section 5 of the IGST Act. जैसे हमने डिस्कस किया था CGST इंट्रा स्टेट सप्लाईज पे लगता है, IGST इंटर स्टेट सप्लाई पर लगता है. इट इज़ ऑल्सो लेविएबल ऑन इम्पोर्टेड गुड्स in accordance with section 3 of the customs tariff act 1975. वैल्यू का जो कैलकुलेशन किया जाता है इट इज़ अगेन डन ऑन दी अकॉर्डिंग टू सेक्शन 15 of the CGST act. And for the purpose of import, valuation under Customs Act is taken. The rate specified by the government and slabs include as visible on your screen. It is levied at the point when duties of customs are levied on the said goods under section 12 of the Customs Act. And it is payable by every taxable person under GST. However, जैसा कि हमने अपने प्रीवियस वीडियो में भी डिस्कस किया था, इट इज़ नॉट लेविएबल ऑन एल्कोहलिक लिकर फॉर ह्यूमन कंजम्पशन एंड इट विल बी लेविएबल अपॉन नोटिफिकेशन इन केस ऑफ पेट्रोलियम प्रोडक्ट. नेक्स्ट हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं GST इम्पैक्ट ऑन इम्पोर्ट ऑफ गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज. With constitutional amendments, both CGST and SGST will be levied on import of goods and services into the country. And incidence will follow the rule of destination-based principle. Tax revenue in case of SGST will accrue to the state जहाँ पर imported goods and services are consumed. Full and complete set-off will be available on the GST paid on import of goods and services. Therefore, import of goods will attract BCD, that is basic custom duty, and IGST, that is integrated GST. It may be noted in this point that as against services, tax at present in GST regime will attract IGST. Basic custom duty will continue to there under GST system. However, additional custom duty in lieu of CVD, countervailing duty, excise and the special additional duty SAD in lieu of sales tax VAT will be subsumed in the import GST. Next and last consideration in this case is the import of services will be subject to central GST and state GST on a reverse charge mechanism. यानी कि इस केस में इम्पोर्टर को ऑन अ सेल्फ डेक्लेरेशन बेसिस GST पे करना होगा. Next in this topic is zero rated supply under section 16 of IGST. जीरो रेटेड सप्लाई जिसका मीनिंग हम पहले भी डिस्कस कर चुके हैं, विच इंक्लूड्स सप्लाई ऑफ गुड्स और सर्विसेज और बोथ बाय एक्सपोर्ट ऑफ गुड्स और सर्विसेज और बोथ और सप्लाई ऑफ गुड्स और सर्विसेज और बोथ टू अ स्पेशल इकोनॉमिक डेवलपर और जोन. Subject to the provisions of subsection 5 of the section 17 of the CGST, credit on input tax may be availed for making zero rated supply. यानी इस पे भी input credit available होगा. Next, a registered person making zero rated supply shall be eligible to claim refund under either of the following options. First, he may supply goods or services or both under bond or letter of undertaking subject to such conditions as may be prescribed without payment of IGST and claim refund of unutilized input tax credit. Next, he may supply goods or services or both subject to such conditions as prescribed on payment of integrated tax and claim refund of such tax paid on goods and services in accordance with provisions of section 54 of the CGST. So these are the different provisions of the levy and collection of tax. Thank you.